Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram account to a Discord. So basically sign into your Discord account and then open the channel where you want to add the Instagram data. Type the / in the empty field and select the information that you want to transfer from Instagram, such as username, profile picture, etc. So you can see it right here in the in the Discord. You could just type in the thing, or the / and then in the empty field, and then select the information that you actually want, like profile picture, and all that. But if you want to connect your account to your Discord, because of the information and everything, you can just right here see and add new connection in your settings, and you're gonna be able to see the many platforms that you can log in or link to Discord. And as you can see, you will not be able to see Instagram because it is not available for Discord. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will tell you if there is a new update coming on the Discord thing. See you.